front of me is Realme 6S, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, find and select the settings then. Now locate and open sound and vibration, and here locate and click on ringtone. And now let me show you all of the possible options. And you can also choose one from the alert tones, but they're quite short, so I will pick, for example, night. Then let's go back, and as you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.